Do y'all want to look through my new coloring book I got in the mail today by my very favorite artist? Stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome in. We're going to have a little chatty flip through of the new issue of Color in Heaven, the Vampire Special. This is issue 136, and this is by my very favorite artist, Enys Guerrero. She is the one that got me into wanting to color people. And long ago, I got this issue of Color in Heaven. This is the Dark Fantasy Special. This is issue 57. And here's a few of the pictures that I've done in her first one, that this whole thing is dedicated to her. And I love coloring in this. I was actually able to do the splatter back in the day. But anyway, that's issue 57. But this one I got in the mail today. So we're going to do a little chatty flip through. And if you're new to coloring and you have never heard of Color in Heaven before, it is a monthly subscription that they're based in the UK. And this is the information right here if you're interested in checking it out. They've got other things too. They've got like mandalas and things like that they do. I think they have smaller books too. And I'm pretty sure that you can get these at Walmart. I've just never seen them at my Walmart, but I have heard people say that they've seen them there. So I would think maybe they are in the magazine section. Does that even exist anymore in stores? I think that's probably where it would be. But we're going to do a little chatty flip through. And I did look at this just a little bit when I got it in the mail today while I was working, but I haven't looked at every page. So as you see, it's very detailed. She's got bats here. She's got another bat down here. We got flowers. Lots of detail in here. And then on the back of the pages, it's got the name of whatever the picture is. And it's always numbered in the Color in Heaven magazines. But yes, I love Enys Guerrero. I follow her on Instagram. Did I show you a picture of her? She's right here. I follow her on Instagram, and she's got like one of them little group chat things, you know. And she's been sharing some stuff that she's been working on, but I did not know that she was going to be featured in this month's Color in Heaven until I got the sneak peek in my email. Because if you're subscribed to them, then you get a newsletter and they show you what the sneak peek of the new book is. This one's cool. I might do this one for next month. If any of y'all have this issue and you want a buddy color, let me know. Because I'm just going to have to get over myself with the paper. Because it's not terrible paper, but it's not great either. I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see through it a little bit. And I prefer better paper, but I got to color this. And I think this one looks like Enys Guerrero herself. To me, that looks like her. But how y'all doing? It's been a week since I have filmed a video. The last video I filmed was the day that it started dumping snow on America. And if you live in America, unless you're living on the West Coast, y'all probably got affected by that storm. We got, according to the weather app, we got 23 or 24 inches, and that is about right. And I will, at the end of this video, just in case some of y'all are not interested, at the end I will share some pictures of what it looks like in my area. I've got a very gnarly icicle hanging from my back door, and every day when the sun comes out it melts a little bit and it just gets longer and longer and longer. But it is crazy cold. Actually, I think we had a heat wave today. I think it got up to 8 degrees. But this winter is not playing around. So I'm hoping that Puxatawny Phil, I don't know which one, if he sees a shadow or doesn't see a shadow, I hope he says early spring, but I think that's wishful thinking. Because it don't look like this snow's going anywhere for a while. I like this one. This one's really cool. She's cute. Faith. She's carrying a cross. But tomorrow, on Saturday, I'm going to film my 3-pencil skin combination. I just don't have the brain power to do it today, y'all. The new case that I'm on is just crazy. It's taken all my brain power. See how cool it looks? Look, she's got a bat in her hair. Just so cool. I love Enys Guerrero. She's got a rat on her shoulder. I don't know if I'd be, well, I'd be crying if there was a rat on my shoulder for sure. I don't think I'd be upright. I'd be flat on the ground. Ooh, this one's crazy looking. Yeah, I didn't really look at this real good. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and have a little chat. This looks like she did this in charcoal, maybe. That's a lot of detail. Look at all this. Whoa, that may take forever. I hope everything's in frame. And then this one, I think that she's supposed to be like a bat girl or something, maybe. What do y'all think? Let's turn it around. I was trying to figure this out while I was working today. I'm like, what is this? Very interesting. And then this one is just the bat and no people, which is different. I like the moon. Oh my. This one's really crazy looking. But yes, we have got a ton of snow out there. My son came and dug a path on Monday because there was no getting out my door. There were no steps. One of the pictures that I'll show you at the end, there's the snow is past my neighbor's bumper on their car. And we got a guy. This one's really cool. The background, I love that sky back there. Look how much detail, little. I'm not sure if the whole thing is in frame. It looks like it is, but that's why I keep moving it up and down just in case it's not. But yes, I like that one. Oceans of Time. Oh, okay. We got a bat cat. That's what it looks like, right? Her mind. Oh, this one's really cool. This one would be a good one to practice your fur. I'm not very good at that. And it seems like a lot of the girls have this little detail here. So what do y'all think of Enys Guerrero? Have you ever heard of her? Do you like her? Is it too weird for you? That's very weird and very interesting. I want to color that one too. See, if you took all the bats away, it'd just kind of look like fall, but that's what makes her cool. Yeah, I really, really like her. She's definitely an individual. But I remember when I got the previous one a long time ago, it was like in 2019, something like that. And that's the first time I had subscribed to Color in Heaven. And I thought that it was just the coolest thing I'd ever seen. And I really started getting into coloring people. And that never went away. So I credit her for that. Because that's what I prefer to color. If you've been around my channel for any time at all, you know that I color in the Christine Karen books all the time. I wish that her books like this, I wish that was on that kind of paper. And I know that I could get a printer and I could put this on better paper, but that is a rabbit hole that I am not going to get into because I just don't need to do that. Oh wow, look at the detail in this. Let me bring this up just in case y'all can't see it very well. Look at that detail. Wow. Can that be accomplished with pencil? You'd have to keep your sandpaper block next to you with that one to make sure everything stayed sharp. So cool. See, this one would not be so difficult to color because there's not a lot of detail in this one. You got all your little leaves there. I like to color leaves though. But this one's one of the easier ones, I think. Oh, look at her eyes. Oh my gosh, she's possessed. I thought she was sad. More of the moon in the background. Nina. Nina looks like she's on a mission. And we've got a horse. Yeah, I wish she would come out with actual coloring books of her own, not just in Color in Heaven. I could imagine what the price would be, though. Dangerous smile. Yeah, she looks like she could be dangerous. There's a lot of bat wings in these. And none of these are the same as what's in that other issue. There's a skull. There's a lot to color in this one. Look at the fancy couch that she's sitting on back here. You can practice fabric. This is very dark line art. She's just unique, you know. Oh, creepy, creepy, but cool. Yeah, I'm going to have to get over the paper. I'm going to have to color in this. And this is the last one, I think. Yep. And then, this used to be in the front of the Color in Heavens, but you can put your color combinations here, and they'll be right there with you. You don't have to worry about having something separate. Yeah, it's a cool magazine. Every time that I think about canceling my subscription, they send me something cool like this so I don't cancel. But that is the end of the flip through. I'm going to show you some pictures of my winter wonderland that I've got outside. And yeah, let me know, how much snow did y'all get? Did you get ice or snow? I hope that you got snow and not ice. I feel so bad for the people in, I think, Mississippi, in that area. Oh my gosh, they got ice and it's terrible, because that part of the United States is not equipped for that kind of stuff. But I'll flash some pictures around here so you can see my winter wonderland, and I will see y'all tomorrow, and we're going to do the 3 pencil skin combination in a Christine Karen book. And then on Sunday, I'm going to do my completed pages for January. So hope y'all come back for those videos. And until next time, y'all, enjoy the pictures. Bye.